Welcome to my channel, where we explore the science and wonders of hair health. In today's video, we're diving into platelet-rich plasma, PRP, therapy for hair growth. We'll cover how PRP works, why it's gaining popularity for treating hair loss, and its numerous advantages. The science of PRP. PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, is a regenerative medical technique that utilizes the healing properties of your own blood. It's a versatile treatment that's been used in various medical fields, and it's becoming increasingly recognized in the realm of hair restoration. How PRP works for hair growth. Here's how PRP works. A small amount of your blood is drawn, processed to separate the platelet-rich plasma, and then carefully injected into your scalp. The growth factors present in PRP stimulate dormant hair follicles, encouraging hair growth and improving hair thickness. Benefits of PRP for hair. PRP has several compelling advantages. It's minimally invasive, carries a low risk of side effects, and eliminates the potential for allergic reactions as it utilizes your own blood. This treatment can effectively stimulate dormant hair follicles, promoting hair growth, and enhancing both hair thickness and quality. Is PRP right for you? PRP can be a suitable option for individuals with different types of hair loss, including androgenetic alopecia, mild to moderate hair loss, or even those who want to enhance the effectiveness of other hair loss treatments. A consultation with a healthcare professional can help determine if PRP is the right choice for your unique hair goals. PRP and hair growth timeline. Be aware that PRP is not an overnight solution. It often requires a series of sessions, and visible results may take several months to become noticeable. Understanding the timeline is crucial for setting realistic expectations. Maintenance and follow-up. PRP is not a one-time fix. Regular maintenance and follow-up treatments are necessary to sustain the benefits of PRP for hair growth. If you found this video informative and intriguing, please like and comment with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights into hair health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.